Task performance. Definition of personality type. Task performance is the composition of the most predominant traits that correlate with the Big Five personality test. Depending on the specific characteristics, it becomes possible to define the advantages and disadvantages of the employee's task performance type. It allows for distributing the work more effectively and managing the positions between the employees to create a better organizational structure. The essay's goal is to define my personality type based on the 5 characteristics from the test and recognize how to use it in work and social life productively. My personality type is proficient task performance due to the highest scores in conscientiousness and extroversion. It characterized me as an organized, energetic, disciplined, and confident employee with a high aspiration for productive work and the achievement of practical goals. The examples of my personality types can be defined by the ruling positions at the top of the organization's hierarchy. People with proficient task performance are more likely to have leadership places like CEOs, top managers, and team leaders. Despite the high productivity rates, employees with my type of performance are good leaders, and they tend to successfully navigate the team and process toward the company's goals. A high level of conscientiousness signifies more excellent performance in the job position. It means that I can successfully deal with the more challenging tasks and manage to provide qualitative results. However, it can be hard to switch from the old to the new, and it is not easy to quickly adapt to the situations. Thus, it would be hard for me to move towards innovations with other colleagues, which might slow the work process down. Extroversion and conscientiousness provide opportunities for effective task performance. In addition, extroverts tend to succeed in sales and perform better than introverts due to their sociability and enthusiasm. Although emphasizing proactivity and more vital abilities allows me to perceive obstacles and difficulties with a positive and assertive outlook, whether they occur in work or personal life. The most valuable insights that I have gained during this assignment are the performances and critical qualities that characterize them. Realizing the beneficial character traits in the professional sphere is the first step toward potential career growth and development. Whether eventually I will take the ruling position or work as a regular employee, this information clarifies the distribution of responsibilities. It helps define the personality strengths and weaknesses that can contribute to the job performance while abstracting the progress. Therefore, to improve the organizational work, it can be helpful to distribute the duties and responsibilities according to the employees' types of performance and their predominant skills. In conclusion, the Big Five personality test showed that my personality type is characterized by proficient task performance. It defines me as an accurate and dedicated employee that strives to perform the task in the best way possible and meet all the necessary criteria. Due to the high levels of conviction and extroversion, I am also good at leadership and sales, but sometimes it can be complicated to adapt to new conditions. Understanding the professional characteristics allows using of all the natural advantages to the use of the organization. The knowledge gained from the assignment and study materials can contribute to a deeper understanding of my personality and organizational structure. It also gives a clear view of what positions and tasks are more suitable according to the personality type.